In the realm of cyber threats targeting both macOS and Windows users, the browser is infected adware emerges as a browser hijacking program that subtly infiltrates and takes control of the key browser settings. Designed to integrate seamlessly with browsers like Chrome, Safari, and Firefox, this hijacker disrupts the user experience by introducing undesirable changes like new default search engine, customized homepage, and additional toolbars. The consequential barrage of pop-ups, banners, and ads further interferes with daily browsing activities. Browser is infected explained. The browser is infected adware targets computers aiming to manipulate browser settings and generate revenue. This adware employs popular pay-per-click business models, inundating users with pop-ups and banners, strategically placed to compelled clicks. Although not classified as malware, browser hijackers fall under the category of pups due to the risk associated with page redirects and exposure to potentially harmful content. The developers of Browser is Infected commonly utilize software bundling for distribution. Vigilance during the installation process can help users avoid unwanted software. How to remove Browser is Infected. Identify suspicious applications. Open the Applications folder and review the list of installed programs for any unfamiliar or suspicious apps. Drag any suspicious applications to the trash icon. Clear browser cache and cookies. Clearing cache and cookies can help eliminate traces of Browser is Infected. Remove browser extensions. Open each browser and navigate to the Extensions or Add-ons menu. Delete any extensions related to Browser is Infected. Reset browser settings. Go to Browser Settings and reset to default. Check Systems Preferences. Inspect any system preferences for changes and revert to default. Browser is Infected underscores the importance of user vigilance in the face of evolving cyber threats. By understanding its actions, consequences, and promptly removing the hijacker, users can secure their systems from the disruptions caused by such pups. Adopting best practices for prevention is crucial to maintaining a secure and uninterrupted digital experience.
You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.